Hello everyone! Today we will be making a fun snack the whole family can enjoy. Our recipe is an easy and delicious citrus berry ice. For this recipe, you only need 5 ingredients. We start with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 oranges, 2.5 cups of fresh strawberries, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Place the strawberries, oranges, lemon juice, sugar, and cinnamon in a blender and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into 4 containers and place in freezer. Stir every 15 minutes until the mixture reaches a sherbet-like thickness. Serve immediately. Enjoy!